IBM Resiliency Orchestration is an enterprise-class disaster recovery automation and management software that helps organizations quickly recover business-critical applications and data during and after disruptive incidents. It provides a consistent and predictable recovery experience that seamlessly responds to IT complexity and interdependencies across on-premises, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud environments. Disaster recovery managers can access resiliency orchestration through a web browser. Upon logging in, you are shown the complete lifecycle approach of the tool. The DR Manager dashboard allows the disaster recovery manager to know how well the DR solutions are meeting their recovery goals. The summary pane provides a real-time snapshot of the state of all applications, including applications that are DR ready, applications that are actively providing services from the DR site, and applications that have problems and are not DR ready. The RPO and data lag meters show the number of applications that are meeting the RPO SLAs. Underneath the summary pane, bar charts provide snapshots of how well particular applications are working. The Discover section provides a list of the configured components which are managed by Resiliency Orchestration, divided into application groups and recovery groups. The Monitor section includes an overview of both application group and recovery groups, providing information on RTO, RPO, data lag, and events, as well as a relationship map that provides an overview of a recovery group and all of its components, and a listing of all executing workflows and their status. The Workflow Editor provides a drag-and-drop user interface where you can customize your workflows. Choose from hundreds of ready-made application-aware tasks called Recovery Automation Library, or RAL. RALs have tasks from all major operating systems, databases, and storage platforms, as well as support for all the leading technologies that are used in DR infrastructure. All RALs have been carefully crafted with all the required operations so that the customer never has to depend on scripts for any functionality. The Drill section allows you to test and execute switchover and switchback activity. A workflow can be tested with the Dry Run feature, which performs the steps of the workflow to check if the application's parameters are properly connected with the DR site. If the dry run is successful, then the workflow is prepared to be executed for real. Executing the workflow will cause this application to start in the DR site. The Reports section allows you to generate reports on continuity management and monitoring metrics, such as RPO, RTO, data lag, and more. Reports can provide a broad overview or a very detailed perspective of the recovery group. The Platform Configuration Dashboard. This dashboard gives us a bird's-eye view of cyber exposures within our organization. The first thing we see is a count of changes to configuration files that we've categorized as critical exposures. We can see the number of changes made to configurations and whether there's a record of the change in our change control database. A change that hasn't been authorized is one that needs to be looked into immediately. The Cyber Data Dashboard. Here we see a view of our cyber data snapshots, as well as their verification status. In a cyber attack situation, we can quickly figure out the healthiest snapshot and recover from it. For each application, we get a breakdown of which snapshots are available, their recovery point objective, or RPO, their recovery time objective, or RTO, and the last verified snapshot for that application. Businesses that use IBM Resiliency Orchestration experience a more cost-effective, simplified recovery experience that's smarter, more tailored, and more agile than ever before. Learn more about how IBM Resiliency Orchestration can help you address cyber recovery challenges in a complex hybrid IT environment.